Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix automatic following in Instagram. So sometimes you notice that some following you have, which is automatically gaining. So in this situation, you have to go to industry line option first, then go for settings and privacy. Scroll down and go for follow and invite friends here, then go for follow contact. Now you have to go for this don't allow access. After that, go for your settings and click on apps and notification. Now go for Instagram, click on permissions. Now you have to also go for don't allow contacts permission. Then you can fix your problem, which is automatic following in Instagram. So that's the video. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.